Boom chicka chicka bow bow boom bow 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 boom chicka bow bow boom chicka chicka bow. Greetings, this is Bradford Donald Keller Townsend, the benighted Illuminati scion. I would like to start a meme. Um, I have in the past been a fashion and meme generator. um, I will not give particular examples as I'm too humble. Um, but I would like to start a new meme, a new term to go out into the blogosphere and to the internet and to encompass the globe. And this new term is our pollution footprint. I think that the petrochemical industry in what I would call a jujitsu judo move uses carbon footprint. My cousins running many of the largest non-for-profit foundations use this jujitsu. I have a black belt in Okinawan jujitsu where you use the energy of your opponent to kill them or cripple them. That is what a martial art is. It is not self-defense. It's how to quickly kill your opponent. The faster you can kill them, the more likely you are to survive that combat, a French word for striking each other with the intent to do violent bodily harm, and then that grew into dropping bombs from thousands of feet or meters above the ground with guided chemical explosive bombs. So the new meme is pollution footprint. Thank you very much and have an excellent day.